pera muna nung laban. Kasi paano pag wala nang lumaban para sa Pilipinas? Paano kung Marcos na rin? Wala namang problema, filean ako ng kaso. But for example, yung Tindig Pilipinas Kiko-D, legacy ni President Cory Aquino is democracy. Legacy ni Senator Benigno Aquino is giving his life to fight for freedom and democracy. And then magpapagamit kayo sa Malacanang. Obstruction of justice. Sinabi na nung NBI, walang warrant na binigay sa amin. Sinabi na ng PNP at SILG, pumunta sila doon, hindi para arestuhin dahil wala pa namang warrant. So, paano naging obstruction of justice at paano pinatakas si Bato kung wala namang warrant? So, let me address myself to Kiko D and the other Aquinos, even to Senator Bam, no? Ang legacy nyo, democracy. Then Marcos na rin. So, no problem. Legacy din nila is against extrajudicial killings. So, kung yung ipaglaban nyo yun. Legacy din ng mga Aquino is to sacrifice for the nation. So, if your sacrifice is fighting the Dutertes, okay yun. Pero okay sa inyo babuyin yung Senado. Okay sa inyo wag ilabas yung totoo sa flood control. Di ba, kaya nga, laban eh. Laban yung laban. Hiramin ko muna. Kasi hindi nyo ginagamit eh. Di ba? So, alam nyo naman, di ba, sa aktivista, ganyan. Sa Duterte, ganyan. Kailangan neutral ako eh. Dahil senator judge din ako. Ako pa magpre-preside ng impeachment. Pero pera muna nung laban. Kasi paano pag wala nang lumaban para sa Pilipinas? Paano kung Marcos na rin? So mga kababayan, let me end this way. Kung comfort lang po, sumang-ayon na po ako sa administrasyon. My life will be totally much easier, but I couldn't live with myself. Why? Life without a purpose is not living. Diba? You all have to consult your maker. Is this the kind of world that the Philippine Constitution wants? Is this the kind of world that the Bible tells us, the kind of Philippines we want, di ba? So, you might not like me, you might not agree with my politics, I'm not perfect, some of you might not even trust me. And if I'm wrong, then tama feelings nyo. But what if I'm right? How many of us didn't listen to the signs in 1970s? And what happened for 20 years? So what if I'm wrong now? You don't have to like me. My stay as Senate President is limited. But every day that I'm here, laban po tayo. So, hindi natin kalaban ang Malacanang. Pero kalaban natin kasinungalingan. Kalaban natin yung nagpupunit ng pahina ng konstitusyon. So, mga kababayan, tonight, tomorrow,